Welcome to Kente TV. My name is Benedict, aka Karanaza, and this is Street Vox. On today's episode on Street Vox, we'll be asking the people why the independent candidates in Ghana never win the elections. Let's get interactive.
There are so many factors we can count here, but let me just pick one or two. You know, the population matters, sha. Like, you know, the political parties, say NDC or NPP, for example, they have the numbers already. They have the numbers. But you coming out as an independent candidate, you know, you're not coming to win more people to your side from those various political parties I've mentioned. You understand? So, and we all know that you need the numbers to win the election. And then that is one. Two is that if you don't have the strength to pull the number, if you don't have the strength, of course, you will lose it.
All right. So what do you think they can do to amass the numbers? What do you think they can do to get the numbers?
One thing I know for sure is that in this life, there is no need to rush. If you have a plan, you can start it today and maybe 10 years later before you achieve it. For example, somebody may intend being a president through the independent candidate ways, okay? And it's up to the person to start that preparation now. It's not something that you rise up because it is near or we are near to election area. So you get up in a year or two time that you wanna contest and etc. You understand? Ghana here, most people that we see the independent candidates etc. That is what they do because election 2024 is just next year. You see that some people started their plans just recent months and etc. You understand?
Because they don't have masses and they don't have a lot of people at the grassroots. And right now, it looks like only two political parties have been reigning for a very long time. So it's going to be very difficult to penetrate to the grassroots.
So what do you feel is the solution? Do you think maybe the other political parties, apart from the main two, should come together and then stand? Maybe they'll have a chance?
Right now, it depends on the people. And right now, everybody is looking for solutions to a lot of issues. So if they're able to solve the issues, then yes, they will get it. But if not, the two political parties will forever win.
So right now, the it's like Ghanaians are tired of this party A and party B.
Yeah.
So don't you think it's the right time for an independent candidate to rise up?
It is, but what's the guarantee or the probability that this person is going to do what he has promised? So the devil you know is better than the angel you do not know.
So you're saying we're sticking to party A and B is better than going for someone new?
Who is going to destroy everything? That idea.
Okay.
Any party way one way, they throw money. They throw money. So the system can make hard. They keep the money to themselves. So the system make hard for.
So you feel like the independent candidates, they spend money or what?
Yeah, I mean, I think they don't spend money to where they don't get backbone. They don't get people where go motivate. Like they go have clap, motivate people where they go no say nah, you two you want try them follow this rule and that.
So why say that you don't feel like say make the small parties or the independent parties make them join together, can make one party then contest against the two of them.
Again the two party where they roll right now. NDC, MPP, then any country at all. Like
so you feel like they for come together.
They for come together like a group, where they go face then take over the seat.
So what you try to say the independent candidates you know go boa, you know go help.
You know go help. If you go help, sir, that means you go through more money. Yeah.
So basically your final take is they know they spend money. That's why they know.
Yeah, they know they spend money. Because the party where the rule NDC MPP right now don't keep the money. So they throw the money to system inside. So like someone like that when one do something like that, if I know how you go do it, if you get backbone, then things, people, yeah, if I get people, then stand.
My name is Bruce, but you can call me Ntontum GH.
Ntontum
GH, the comedian.
Thank you. All right, so question of the day is, why do you think the independent candidates in Ghana, they never win elections?
Oh, what I've seen is that we have two partisans in this country, the NDC and the MPP. So they have already their members. So if you want to go on this thing, as independent, unless the people that they are in that community really loves you, that's they can vote for you. Has it not be that they can never even vote for you? Because we know that this with these two political parties,
They already have the masses. They already have the people. So in order for you to win, you also have to get people.
yeah, because for example, I'm planning if another party or even we can get like when you come to football, when you go to the La Liga, you know Barca and Real Madrid.
Yeah.
So sometimes if we see another team coming to, I mean, in their distance, or it make the team bet in Ghana because
So what do you think it would take for an independent candidate to win? What do you think it would take for him?
unless they join or they I mean it should take a long time before to be known by the people before you be accepted, and that one I don't think you can be a president. Even you in the parliamentary distance you can win a parliamentary distance, but because they know you already, but for the whole nation to vote you as a president, as independent candidate, I don't think it is a good idea.
So you think it is always going to be one party, the other party, or the other one?
Oh, for sure.
So these were the opinions of the people on the street. Let us know your opinion in the comment section down below. Down below. Please take time to comment because your opinions really matter. They really do. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification button, like, and please comment. Until next time.